This is a quick guide on how to reset the power liftgate in Hyundai Tucson NX4. 1. Ensure the engine is either running or turned off and shift the gear into P, park. 2. At the same time, press both the interior power liftgate button, A, and the exterior button, B, until you hear a chime. 3. Manually and slowly close the liftgate. 4. Press the exterior power liftgate button again. The liftgate should open automatically with a chime. Allow it to fully open to complete the reset. Note: if the liftgate doesn't fully open, the reset process will not be completed. Important notes: after disconnecting or draining the vehicle's battery, or if the power liftgate fuse is blown, the system may not function correctly until reset. If the liftgate still doesn't operate as expected after following these steps, contact an authorized Hyundai dealer for inspection. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider supporting the channel by becoming a sponsor. Share any challenges you encountered in the comments and let us know if you managed to resolve the issue on your own.